Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the coffee umbrella in Heartopia. It's a super useful item for talking with other players without adding them as friends. Normally, bubble chat in Heartopia is only visible between friends. So if you want to talk to a random player, you can use this coffee umbrella. And here's how. First, just open your backpack and then just take out the coffee umbrella. Just tap on use like this. And then tap on it, and then like this. Once please, a special chat will be appears like this, and inside this inside this chat room you can really talk together. Just wait for the another players to join it. You can even turn on the translate feature on here, this one, so you can communicate easily even if you use different languages. And then just wait for the other players to join your umbrella, but keep in mind one coffee umbrella can only hold up to 4 players at a time. And okay, that's it, a simple and easy way to communicate with new friends in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.